Tuesday, and Christmas is coming, and the food is good and cooked. Oh, down here in Abrero, I'm coming across. I'm coming across to Dakadao. Traffic here at the moment is a little bit busy, isn't it? The rain has subsided, it's a lot cooler, yeah, and I've had the bike cleaned. I don't know what's happening with this car. But Dakadao, there is a Motorola here who is doing nothing because the taxi is down the road. Yeah. There we go, we're across. So yeah, I had the scooter cleaned. Got absolutely covered in gunk over the last 4 or 5 days through the wind and the rain and the inclement weather, shall we say. It's a bit overcast today, no sun today. I believe there is another low pressure coming in. But don't hold me to that. The roads are looking pretty cool actually. Not traffic, but it's getting Christmas, everybody's getting out, earning their extra cash to pay for their utang, the money they buy to get through Christmas. So, it's the first time I've been here. Yeah, they have a seating area out the back over here. Yeah, but they don't want you to sit here. It's quite nice. That's TP L'Oreal over here with the crazy traffic. ACs aren't on. This is quite nice. It's pretty cool. I like that. I like that mural. That looks very, very nice. Very, very, very nice, huh? Look at that. Oh, it's a bit of a long nose there. Where's the flat nose? A little bit of music in the background. So you order your food, you pay your food, so I've got my bits and bobs coming. We'll have a look at that in a second. Their scooty, nice and clean, and it's getting another wash because it started to rain. School over there, across the road, but it's closed. Gmail is to the left, and Victoria Plaza is to the right. I've always wanted to come to this place, but I've never been able to get here because I either get stuck in the outside lane here and I can't get in. So I'm just going to have something to eat. Annie's at home, chilling out. They don't do shakes here, and they don't do service. They do service water, but they don't do any sodas, which I find a little bit. Yeah, that's not really clever, is it? But, there we go, so you've got guys cutting the corner there. That's nice, isn't it? Yeah, so as I was saying, one of my subscribers came down from Cebu and coming to Siargao and turned around and said that the place is wrecked, it's devastated, it's lots of damage. So, my God, Christmas and Easter always seems to bring the disasters. So for everybody in Cebu and everybody in Siargao and in between that's been affected by the typhoon, God bless. Prayers are with you guys. Look after yourselves. Take care. Traffic is still going this way, but I have my veggie balls with marinara sauce, herb bread, coffee, Service water. It's okay, ma'am, you can walk. Oh, look at that. There is one other person in here. There she is. She's doing the plants. Plants make you happy. There we go. Looks nice, huh? Oh. Oh. My God. The rain has come again. Oh, look at that. Let's get into the world. Traffic is gone. It stopped raining. But the scooty seat is still wet. There we go. Alright. That's quite a nice place. What's it called? Kopi 82. Coffee, beer and wine. Well, you can get coffee, you can't get beer, you can't get wine. So, lunch. I had vegetable pasta. Too much dried herb. Yeah. When you're using dried herbs, you have to use a little because they are concentrated. Yeah. But anyway. Veggie meatballs were nice. Pasta was well cooked. Olive oil sprinkled over the top was a nice touch. Coffee was very, very good. So enjoyable coffee. But they don't do any shakes, sodas, or anything like that. A shame, really. Because that would sort itself out quite nicely. But I'm back out on JP Laria, JP Laria, JP Laria. Convenience store, gonna go right here. Let's get away from Victoria and Bahada and Breeza. Let's get run over by Motorola, Medicar. Down at Brick Lane. Brick Lane? Or the Brick Yard? Down here somewhere. Yeah, I think there on the right hand side. This guy doesn't know what he's doing, doesn't know whether he's going left or right. Let's go right. Ah, Brickyard, that's what it's called. Oh, look at that. There we go. Beck and Jerry's there. Plant-based food, very nice.